All nature is a hum with the vibration of the one, with the power of the moon and sun. We rejoice in the light, we journey through the darkest night, breathing in deep, giving thanks for this life. I surrender and let go. I cannot control this life and how it flows. I just nurture how it grows. I am witness to the miracle, awakened to the beautiful presence of the spiritual, being rooted in the physical. Like a tree I stand and breathe, and my day will come to lead this body, this form, this face that you see. And as a star I will shine through time, do all that I meet till the day that I fade back into this cosmic sea. And forever, 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 the sound will carry on, the sound of creation. Forever, 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 we will shine with the light, all together, all together. Forever, 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 the sound will carry on, the sound of creation. Forever, 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 we will shine with the light, all together, all together.